Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Papa Cloud. So today I'm bringing you a weekly watch list for this week. So I got you 6 stocks that I'm looking at this week. So Roku, Spotify, Apple, Tesla, EA, TTWO, and ATVI. So in my previous video, I said that Roku will hit 400 plus, which I still think it will go retest 420, which is a hard resistance. So I might sell there, or might sell before it hits 420 to secure profit, or just trim position and re-enter in different stocks. But like I was saying in my previous video, support is at 365 and resistance is at 378. So once we break 378, I still see we might hit 400 or maybe 390, and close tomorrow. If not tomorrow, maybe end of this week we might see 400 plus. So make sure to keep an eye on Roku. Roku has been a monster recently. So once we get more volume and more momentum, we're gonna fly on this stock. So the next one is Spotify. It hasn't moved higher yet, but I want it to hit support, which is at 275, before I pick up more calls. And then once that, it's gonna test resistance, which is 281. When it hits 281, we get volume and all that, and it gets the momentum, it goes further up. It's gonna fly too also. So make sure to keep an eye on Spotify. When it moves like a monster also, like Roku. So keep an eye on that. Next one is Apple. So Apple, we've seen it run recently, well this week. So earnings is around the corner. It's on April 28th. So April 28th, and then so the support is at 130. So it tested the support on Friday, and then it bounced really hard to 131. So it's at 132. It closed. So once we break 134, we're going to 140 for sure, because once the momentum happens, like the other stocks, when all the tech starts to go crazy, it's going to rally also. So my target is 140 before earnings. If not, 136, 137, or 138 is the most we can see, and we can sell it for a big profit on the $145 strike price calls that we got. And I got 130 calls, but I sold them I trimmed some of my position, to secure some profit. So I left like 2 runners. So other than that, Tesla, it has been consolidating, and on the yearly and monthly chart, it shows a head and shoulder, like inverse head and shoulder, which means it'll get a big pop sooner than expected. So I will watch Tesla here. If not, if you want to just hold shares, this is a good buy to buy shares on Tesla. So the support level is at 670, and the resistance is at 682. So once it breaks 682, we might see 700 plus, and I really want it to start soaring, so it can carry the market also. So the other stocks that I mentioned is all gaming stocks. So on the week, not the weekly, the monthly, or I think it is the weekly. I got to go recheck again. So I just saw this last night. So it was forming a cup and handle on the monthly chart, I think, or in the weekly. So once that cup is finished forming, it's going to get a pop up. Plus earnings is around the corner. So once starts to get the momentum and the volume for the upcoming earnings, it's going to start soaring. So EA is still a good buy right now. 140 is or I think it's at 130. So my target will be 140 and 145, and then trim some position and see what happens on earnings. And ATVI and TTWO, they're really good at earnings run up too. So I will keep an eye on these stocks. So all 3 stocks are forming cup and handle. So make sure to watch either one, whichever you feel comfortable with the most. So all these 3 stocks I recommend, to be honest, because they're good companies. They build my favorite games and stuff like that when I was playing a lot of video games. But other than that, guys, I really appreciate the love and support, for real. I really love you all, especially in the stock games community. I really appreciate all the love, for real. But anyways, if you're new to the channel and you're just watching this from someone else's channel, or you get recommended, make sure to check us out. We're a community called Stock Gains. That's going to be down in the description, the link and all that. We give out alerts, which is options, penny stocks, and stocks, shares and stuff like that. So we give ideas. We're not financial advisors, remember that. So anything that I say in this video is only ideas that you know, I've been seeing and been researching. So anything that I say, I'm not I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you go buy this, go buy that. Don't take this into like, oh, okay, he told me to buy this and then come and sue me because of that. Don't do that. But anything that I say, it's not recommended. But other than that, guys, make sure you keep an eye on these stocks. And like I said before, make sure to join us on Stock Gains. I would say we're the best so far for, you know, beginners. And if you got nowhere to go, you just want to get your feet wet and stuff, I would recommend joining us, guys. So other than that, I want to grow my channel also. I want to make a stream income off YouTube. So make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and you share it with your family, friends. I'm here, you know, to help out your financial, you know, stuff. So, you know, you want to be financially free, you want to do this stuff, I can help out with that. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can help out, give my ideas, and you can learn from me and stuff like that, how to trade and stuff like that, and I got you. So like I said, guys, appreciate all the love and support. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video. Peace out.